So that hike was pretty strenuous. If you can't make the hike, then you can do this overlook. Woo! Cedar Creek Trail. But here you can get a good view of the grotto there. When we were down there, you can see a little person down there. This is the lodge. If you wanted to stay the night. I guess this is the most photographed waterfall in Arkansas, which I believe, because there's a lot of people here today and I gotta hurry before I get stuck by. It was like when I asked for directions, like 7 cars showed up, and then there's a 7 hollow falls or something like that. That place was packed, and it's 9 o'clock in the morning. It is Friday though. Good time, I think. So this was made by the Conservation Corps, 1930s, I believe, around that area. Is when they did all this. And man, these structures are still standing. That's a while back ago, almost 100 years. We passed the switchback. Now it should be pretty straight, though it is kind of rocky. Now I believe this is a new bridge, and this is Cedar Creek. You can see how they try to keep these trails natural and use the rocks as steps. It's really cool. We used to do that up at Idaho at Grand Target Resort. We try to use the rocks that are around and keep it as natural as possible.